So I want to talk about this whole idea of respect, right? And this all comes from when I was watching, a podcast. And the guys, you might have heard of it. I mean, they were going off on these girls for like no apparent reason, right? Um, See, the thing is, like, these people, when they go off people on the internet, they do this for clout because they know it's going to get them views, and which views equals more money. All right, so like he was calling this woman like she was married to somebody, and she was calling this woman like a bee and saying she looked like a man, sound like a man, and all that. And like you wouldn't say this in person, face to face to people. And this all comes back to just like basic decency and human respect, right? The golden rule is to do unto others as you want done to you, all right? So if you don't want anybody else talking bad about your wife, don't be talking bad about anybody else's wife, all right? And it doesn't matter if like that girl is like a prostitute or a porn star. Like if she has a job that she's inherently like showing herself disrespect by disrespecting herself, you should still respect her. Why? Because you should respect yourself. You gotta get to the point to where you see everybody as you. Why? Because we're all of the same spirit. So even if you're talking to somebody who you feel don't even deserve respect, maybe you should try giving them some respect, and maybe they can try, that will kind of inspire some self-respect for themselves. And this is another problem I have with the red pill community, all right? The red pill community says that, the high value men should be able to exercise options. Well, if the woman consents to it, right? Like I said, it goes back to the golden rule: treat others as you want done to yourself. So you wouldn't want your girl sleeping around with other guys, so you shouldn't want to be sleeping around with other women. Just out of simple self-respect, because you actually love that person that you're with. Now, if your person that you're with says it's okay, I don't mind, then I mean, go ahead and do it. But if you know she's going to get upset, if she tells you that she doesn't want that and that you still do it, that is a sign that you don't respect yourself and other people. And that's like one of the foundations of life that you should know, that you should have been taught by your parents, is self-respect and respecting others. Just inherently, everybody is worth some type of self-respect. Why? Because everybody is made in the image of God, of our Creator. Even if they work at McDonald's or a janitor, they deserve respect. Why? Because those are jobs, and those jobs are respectful jobs. If they're an OnlyFans model, that's not really a respectful job, but even those OnlyFans models deserves some type of respect because they are made in the image of God. So you should be going around respecting everybody. And if somebody doesn't want to show you respect, then it's your job to turn around. It takes a lot more strength to keep your mouth closed when you're feeling disrespected than to open your mouth up and go off on someone. That is just some of my thoughts on like respect, the red pill community, how you should be treating people in life. It's just, common human decency that should be taught, that I feel like is getting lost in society because everybody is like, they want chaos, they're entertained by chaos, and they get people's attention through chaos. So the foundations of life aren't being taught, and so I just wanted to get that out there. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to this channel. Alright, Joe, I'm out.